Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the big shark portfolios. Everyone wanted to know about this. Who are the big shark portfolios and whatever their the investment, what is the net worth about them, what is the strategy they are using and why they are top in the share market, what is their strategy and what they are playing here in the share market. Let us start now. This is called as a big shark portfolios. These are individual investors, institutional investors, and institutional means domestic institutional investors and FII, foreigner institutional investors. So let us see what they are saying here. First of all, meet the big shark of the investment world and know where and how they are invest. So we have to first see, everyone has that curiosity, whoever the big investor, what strategy they are following and why should not we follow. So as these investment gurus, because obviously they called as a gurus, filter diamonds from dust and identify potential multi-bagger to stay at the top of their gamers. So obviously whoever going to invest in this, they will search multi-bagger companies, like whatever they have potential companies, whatever they have potential stocks, only they will invest. Simply they won't invest with the dead stocks. So they will first recognize, they will study with that stocks, then only they will invest. They won't believe in the tips and anyone's calls. So please, before you are investing, you do your own analysis. So let us say, learn about their own mohas is investment and what they are buying and selling. Obviously we are going to see, first we'll see their names, and next videos will go and see whatever their net worth, whatever the profit and loss account, how much they are investing and what is the details. So you can get to know how they are using the strategies and what they are doing, how they are in top in share market. So let us start. So first we'll see individual investors. Individual investors, you can see here, there are individual names and their companies, firms. Second one, we can see institutional investors, Indian institutional investors, they are called DIIs, and FII, foreign institutional investors. So let us see. First, we'll come to the top four in individuals. Rakesh Junjunwala and Associates, company holdings 39, net worth 23,859 crores. 23,859 crores. Second one, we can see Premji and Associates, company holding 4, 258,564 crores. So their net worth is very high. Radhakrishnan Damani, we know all who is the Radhakrishnan Damani. He is the DMart owner. Company holding 14, 187,174 crores. So Ashish Dhawan, next one, company holding 16, 2,714 crores. So these are individual investors. Let us see the top four domestic investors. President of India, company holding 69, 1,166,420 crores. Their net worth, they have invested in the share market. Now see the SBI Group, company holding 139, 334, 1,781 crores. So ICICI Group, we can see here 272,892 crores. Company holding 196. We can see next Reliance Group, that is company holding 22, 194,893 crores. So next one, we'll go with the next video. Now here see foreign institutional investors, Government of Singapore, company holding 39, 111,221 crores. So Euro Pacific Growth Fund, second one, foreigners 98,167 crores. Government of Pension Fund Global, that is company holding 72, 52,655 crores. Next one, Open Developing Markets and Fund, company holding 5, 38,161. So these are the big shark portfolio in top 4. Individual, these are 4. Institutional investor, domestic, these are 4. And financial, foreign institutional investor, these are 4. So these are the topmost game players in the stock market. In next videos we will come through the other investors and we'll see their strategies. Thank you guys watching for the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.